Tools you need to detach a toilet and its tank from the floor and wall are a socket wrench in 13mm and 12mm sizes, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, channel lock pliers, a chisel for grout, a utility knife, a multi-tool with flat and Phillips attachments, plumber S-tape, and heavy gloves. Start by shutting off the water and flushing until the tank and bowl are as empty as possible, then use the channel lock pliers to disconnect the supply line at the shutoff valve. Remove tank to bowl fasteners next with the 13mm socket or screwdriver if they are not hex head, supporting the tank so it does not drop. Lift the tank straight up and set it on a towel to protect the surface. Use the 12mm socket or correct screwdriver to remove the closet bolts at the base. Then cut any remaining caulk or seal with the utility knife so the bowl can break its bond to the floor without rocking. If the flange is grouted over, score and chip the grout with the chisel carefully to avoid damaging the flange if you plan to reuse it. If bolts or nuts are corroded and will not budge, use the multi-tool to cut the bolts flush, then pry the remaining hardware out with the channel locks. Keep plumber S-tape and a rag handy to temporarily cap the waste opening and wrap threads on new fittings during reinstallation. Common problems include stuck corroded bolts that strip or shear off. Prevent that by spraying penetrating lubricant beforehand, using the correct sized socket, and cutting through the bolt with the multi-tool if it will not move. Another issue is water left in the trap causing mess and odor. Remove residual water with a small container and shop vacuum, and plug the drain with a rag and tape while you work. A third concern is damaging the flange or floor by prying at the wrong angle. Lift the bowl straight up after all fasteners and sealant are cut, and if the flange is broken, plan to replace it using a repair flange ring. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for jobs like toilet replacement and lets contractors find work by listing services and responding to leads. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot projects together.